tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Hobby Lobby promo code. So let's get started. So Hobby Lobby is an online store where you can purchase different type of accessories for decorating and party accessories. So you might be wondering on how you can claim a bit of discount while purchasing them. So well, you'll have to go to your web browser and type in the following Hobby Lobby promo code and click enter. So once that is done, you'll have to click on this first website, Hobby Lobby coupons code, and as you guys can see, it's for August 2023. So I'm gonna click on it. Okay, so once that is done, I'm gonna be redirected to a website like this, and as you guys can see, that's the shop right there, Hobby Lobby. That's the logo. So now there are many codes here. So the first one says up to 50% off. I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna wait for it to open. Okay, let's try some other one. This is not working due to some error, so I'm gonna close this. Okay, I'm gonna go to this one, Hobby Lobby discount code, get 40% off. So I'm gonna click this. Okay, so let's say you use this code, you're gonna get a 40% off while you're purchasing. You can also go and explore many others. So there are many offers going on right now. You can go and claim them by using the code. Now you might be wondering on how you can claim them. Well, I'm gonna show you on how you can use these codes. So once you have chosen your product, you just have to go to the checkout menu and paste this code there, and it will be automatically claimed. Now I'm gonna go to this website, Retail Me Not, to see a few more promo codes. Okay, so the first one says up to 50% off. I'm gonna click on it. Okay, so this one's the same one like before, it's denied, that's why. Well, you can also go and explore many other and see if they're any use to you. And alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.